Alright, we're going to be putting this palm filter, 22 Tiguan. Alright, let's open her up. First things first, slide out the little detent. This person collects a lot of napkins. We're going to take those out, the collection. We got a pretty decent amount of straws as well, and some touch-up paint. We're going to pull these little tabs, 1 and 2. And we'll let this guy just fold down easy. Get some tabs up here. And make a note of the airflow of the one you're taking out. Unless it was installed wrong, you can't really go wrong. This one's pretty clean. But, hey, people want what they want. Cover. Lock it in. Go to your lock, grab your detent, pull down, and slide it in. Let's get the straws back in there, the napkins, whatever that is, and the owner's manual. There we go. We got a 2021 Tiguan DDS engine. We did a upper transmission mount for a vibration, and engine mount for a leak, an alternator pulley clutched for a leak, lower control arm bushings due to delamination from the metal ring housings, and a little bit of maintenance. We did an oil change, a brake flush, and a pollen filter.